Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright. So Pisces, this is your current energy, 8 of Pentacles. Alright. So for Pisces, I believe that work mode is on for you. You are trying to hide your emotions, or perhaps you are trying to escape from the reality. That's why you have put all your efforts, that's why you have put all your heart and mind into your work. Okay, so you are being very, very workaholic right now. You have no time to see what's happening around you, who is coming, who's going. You least bothered about everyone. All right, so you are up to something. Okay, it could be just because that you want to do some expansion in your life, or perhaps you want to grow yourself, or perhaps you want to grow your finances. That's why you are working really, really hard right now. And yes, as I said, most of you, I believe, you are trying to escape the reality. So this is your current energy, Pisces. This is your partner's current energy, Ace of Wands. It is a sign of a new beginning for them. It is a sign of a new inning for them. They are about to start something new. They are about to take new actions towards something new. Okay, some sort of beginning is happening for them. Okay, now let's see what you think about them, what they think about you, what action you are going to take towards them in next coming 15 days, and what actions they can take towards you in next coming 15 days. What do you think about them? What they think about you? What actions you can take towards them? What actions they can take towards you? Okay, you see them as somebody who cherish their moment. Okay, on every single day. Okay, you see them as somebody who loves to enjoy, be it with their family, with their friends, with their colleagues, in their professional life, or in their personal life. So they are someone who celebrate the blessings whatever they have in life. Okay, and whatever God has given to them, they cherish that. All right, on the other hand, let's see how your person sees you. Completion. Your person sees you as somebody, you are like, for them you are like someone who always provides the solution, who always connects the dots, who always takes things passionately, and you believe and you feel that, okay, if I am here, or that's how your person feels about you. If Pisces is into something or some task, or so they are assigned by some task or some work, they make sure that they complete that. All right, now let's see what actions you can take towards them. Rebirth. It's time to rebirth for you, Pisces. You have been through a lot, and universe is asking you to change your mindset, change your personality, change your perception, change your attitude. It is a time for rebirth to you, and I know that rebirthing or transformation is not an easy task. So I believe that this time you should consider, or you should completely give time to yourself. You should focus on yourself. All right. Trust. It seems like your person is trying to trust you. It seems like your person is taking a leap of faith with you. Okay, they are trusting you blindly. Okay, they just want to do something with you. They just want to say something to you, and this is the reason I feel that they are trying to, they are believing that they should trust you. Okay, now let's see what future is holding for both of you. What is the future potential of this reading? If you can see the cards. What future is holding for you? Knight of Swords. I believe in last time also you got the same card. As I told you that this person is up to something. They want to start something new. Okay, some kind of a new beginning in their life. and the action which they are or which they can take towards you is trust. It seems like your person is running towards you. They are about to come towards you. Okay, with this Knight of Swords, this person is ready. This person has everything to offer you. This person has passion, emotion, love, and everything. Okay, so if you guys are not in talking terms right now, or if you guys are not able to meet with each other, rest assured that you are definitely going to meet with your partner very, very soon. All right. Okay, so Pisces, in this reading I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, earth sign also in this reading. We have water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Right. So Pisces people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.